in the downpour. Your eyes a steady flame. Years of storms behind us, yet you called me by my name.
Your touch still sets me trembling, like the night we first met.
Through every shadowed season, you're my safest bet. I saw you in the raindrops, your smile a quiet fight. A decade's worth of memories glowing soft in candlelight.
Your voice pulls me closer through the thunder's restless call.
In your arms I've built my world, I'd risk it all. Oh, whispers in the rain, our love's a tender sound. Hands entwined through shadows, where our hearts are bound. You and I, through time, in every drop we stay. In this rainy haven, love lights the way.
We danced on wet cobblestones. Your laughter filled the air. Each scar we've shared a story, proving how much we care.
Your breath against my shoulder, a warmth no storm can break. With you I've learned to weather for love's own sake. I traced your face in water, where the years have carved their lines. Your strength a quiet anchor in these unpredictable times.
The rain sings our anthem, a rhythm only we know.
In your embrace I'm home, where wild rivers flow. Oh, whispers in the rain, our love's a tender sound. Hands entwined through shadows, where our hearts are bound. You and I, through time, in every drop we stay. In this rainy haven, love lights the way. The world might fade to silence, but your heartbeat guides me still.
Every rain-soaked moment bends to your gentle will.
The years have forged our promise in every tear we've dried. With you the storm's a melody, where our souls reside. Oh, whispers in the rain, our love's a tender sound. Hands entwined through shadows, where our hearts are bound. You and I, through time, in every drop we stay. In this rainy haven, love lights the way. As the rain slows to a whisper, we hold on through the night. Two hearts at 30, burning steady, burning bright.